Reiko, the market leader in electrical boxes, offers a full line of ceiling fan support boxes designed and rated to meet the heavier load requirements of a fan or a light fixture such as a chandelier. On today's Hubbell How To, we'll be going over the 294, a 2 1/8 inch deep, heavy-duty, versatile 4-inch round electrical box with some unique features that make it ideal for both new and old work situations. First off, I'll run through a typical install in an old work environment where the ceiling joists are hidden by the finished drywall. If this install was in a new location, I would locate the edge of the joist and cut a hole in the desired spot. Here, I'm upgrading an existing round box so I can utilize the same hole. Using a stud finder again, I'll confirm the location of the joist relative to the box. It's directly adjacent to the box, which makes this an ideal situation for a 294 upgrade. If the box was located between the joists or directly below the joist, then use one of our other boxes. Watch our video on choosing the correct ceiling fan box for more details. Reiko has a solution for any location you encounter. Remember to turn the power off at the breaker before performing any electrical work. Remove the old box by hacksawing or prying out the nails. Be careful to avoid cutting or nicking the wires. Next, insert the bracket into the opening up against the joists and center it in the hole opening. With the edge of the bracket resting on top of the drywall, drive one of the 3 hex screws partially in. Holding the bracket firmly in place, drive a second screw until tight. For ease of install, I like to use a magnetic bit. Now drive the last screw and go back and tighten up your first screw. Now remove the knockout that's oriented with the wire run. Route the wires through the knockout you removed and attach the box to the bracket with the 2 number 1224 machine screws. Now I can secure the wires with the insider connector. For mounting a heavy fixture or fan up to 70 pounds, use the included 1032 screws. For lights under 50 pounds, you can use the 832 holes. When it comes time to wire the fan or light, use the provided green ground screw to connect the ground. Wire everything per the light fixture or fan instructions, being sure to follow any local electrical codes. For new construction use, the bracket flips around and attaches to the box prior to mounting. Bend the setback tab to match the desired ceiling thickness from 1/2 inch or 5/8 up to 1.5 inches, and attach to the box using the mounting ear screw that's on the bracketed side of the box. Now I'm ready to install on the joist. Using the setback tab to assure the right depth, I'll attach the box assembly to the joist with the 3 included hex screws, fully embedding the screws into the wood, but not over tightening. With the box mounted, I can remove and discard the setback tab. When it comes time to run the wiring, if you haven't already, then remove the necessary knockout or knockouts if in the middle of a run. Secure the wires to the box with the included insider connector. And if ready, connect the ground to the box and prepare wiring per local code requirements. Use the included cover to protect the wiring until ready for final light or fan installation. This new construction installation is rated for up to a 70-pound fan or a 150-pound light fixture. So for any of your commercial, industrial, or residential electrical projects, look to Reiko for proven and trusted solutions.